In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this card using the Perfectly Plaid stamp set. It comes in a bundle with this lovely pine tree punch. So we're going to be using that as well today. So to start off, I have a piece of garden green cardstock, and I'm going to use some garden green ink, and I'm going to ink up the tree. And a nice way to save paper is to stamp opposite each other so that you can get more out of your paper. So I'm gonna punch that out. And then I am going to bring over the papers, and I'm going to stamp this Merry Christmas in red over to the side here. And then we'll assemble the card. This is a pretty basic, easy card. So this is the Toile Designer Series paper, Toile Christmas. Really pretty. It has gingham and stripes and, of course, toile. This is some gold foil. We'll add the Merry Christmas. And then we'll pop this up on a dimensional. And then our last little piece is to use some linen thread, tie a bow. And snip that off. And then use a glue dot. I reveal one glue dot at a time when I'm using glue dots. I'm going to roll this one because this is so thin here. Place it on here. And just put it at the bottom of the tree. And there you have your Merry Christmas card using the Perfectly Plaid bundle. So here's the stamp set and here's the punch. And if you purchase these together, you get 10% off. So please go to my website, eStampin.com, and use the September Hostess code to purchase. Thanks so much for watching.